We got that la 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 like. Pull up straight from Tokyo.
Hi guys, it's Kelsey and Kendra, and today we're going to be filming a winter Fashion Nova try-on clothing haul for you guys. But first, we just wanted to tell everybody Happy New Year, and we pray that you guys have an amazing 2018, and we hope that you accomplish any goal that you have for 2018.
Yes, and welcome to our first video of 2018. We just thought it was appropriate that it would be a haul because we love filming hauls for you guys, and we feel like those are one of you guys' favorite videos to watch from us. So we decided, why not let the first video be a haul?
So like Kendra said, we're going to start out with a haul, but our next couple of videos are going to be winter essential videos, and we're going to be doing a winter beauty essentials video, and we're also going to be doing a winter wardrobe essentials video. So be on the lookout for those two videos after this one.
Okay, so we're gonna get right into the haul. It's not too long, it's kind of short actually. This is like the least amount of things that we've had in a Fashion Nova haul in like a long time, or ever probably.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna get right into it. Okay, so the theme of this haul for me personally, like my half of the haul, I was in like a comfort mood, like a comfortable mood when I was looking at the stuff online, and clearly I was just not about going out because everything I got is more lounge wear. I could wear it out, but like not like out, if you know what I mean.
I mean, you could dress some of this stuff up though.
That's true.
We're in the decade
where
of
we wear loungewear as, you know, like, you know, dinner wear or, you know, going out. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this cropped hoodie, but this is more of like their athletic like apparel. This is their Athleisure. So I got this because I wanted to, of course, exercise in it, but when I go exercising like outside, like to run or jog, let's be honest, I don't run.
we jog.
So jog and like, you know, like nice power walk. So that's what this is for, because this is on the thicker side, so this is definitely really good for outdoors.
Yeah.
And the hood has a gray lining in the inside, so I thought that was really cool and a nice touch. And that's also what makes it look like very athleisure wear. So this is very good quality, and one of the details that I really love about this hoodie is that it has a wide sleeve and it's really long. So this is in a size small. Yes, so it's supposed to fit like a little bit baggy on the arm part, which I love. I don't like stuff like really fitted, especially when you're trying to work out, like you want to move, you know. This is called the Shailene Crop Sweater, if you guys are wondering what the name is, and it has a cute little baby pocket in the front. It's a very tiny pocket. That's also how I knew that this was like a athleisure wear type crop hoodie, because of the, you know, details in it. You can fit like one key in it, like your house key, and it's really tight so nothing will slide out of it. I can fit just my thumb in it. So this is a nice touch, not a full pocket, because I never see pockets on crop hoodies ever.
No. So the first thing that I got is actually a set, and this is just like a lounge set, and it's super soft, and of course I had to get it in gray because you guys know next to green, gray is my favorite color, especially to wear. And I like the string detailing on it, and it has the matching pants, like I said, because it is a set. And these are a dream. I feel like I can lounge in these all day long. Of course, the sweatshirt as well, but it's really thin, so this is not so much for winter, but I still feel like it's a nice winter indoor lounge set. You know what I mean? Like I can just see myself on the couch watching PLL all day in this. So this is hashtag watch PLL outfit.
Yeah.
So it has a nice stretchy waistband on it that I really like, and it's drawstring because I prefer sweatpants that have drawstring, just because I like to control the tightness of it, or sometimes I just leave it like undone, because let's be real, at home you don't want anything that's like too tight on. And like I said, these are extremely soft. They feel like any other like high quality lounge sweats because of the softness. Like these are incredibly soft, so they're stepping up their game when it comes to quality, I noticed. So I have noticed over the years, like in things other than their jeans, they have been taking more time to pick out pieces, because I feel like they've always been known for their jeans, but
everything else has really good fabrics now too.
Exactly, and I appreciate that. So these are super duper soft. Cannot wait to lounge in this. And also I'll probably end up wearing this sweatshirt like out, like when it starts to warm up a little bit.
It's a good transitional like piece.
Exactly.
Like you wear it with shorts in like the spring.
Yeah, exactly. There you go. So yeah, this is just a nice all-around good piece that you can wear, I feel like, any season except summer.
Keeping up with the comfy theme we have going, I got this navy blue like off the shoulder shirt, and I thought it would be really cute. Oh, I'm showing it backwards. That's the tag. Okay, this is it from the front. This would be really cute with like just some medium wash jeans, kind of like the color jeans Kelsey has on today. probably, yeah, that shade. It would be really cute like that, just to wear pretty much anywhere, to run errands, to go to lunch, just to be really cute, but you don't want to try too hard and wear something really tight. Because let's be honest, when you want to go somewhere but you want to look cute, but you don't always want to wear something tight, that kind of prevents us from going out, because we don't want to put on tight clothes, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Because I know I'm not always in the mood to wear something super tight, especially if I'm going to be eating, you know, a lot. So this is one of those tops that you can look cute and comfy, and it goes off the shoulder like this, because you guys know that trend is super in. I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon because it's so pretty and feminine, and the shoulder is just like a nice touch to just show off the skin without showing too much.
Yeah, I like the décolleté area.
Yeah, this area. So I love the color navy, of course. I really like the color navy a lot. I'm trying to expand that part of my closet. It's actually the smallest part of my closet currently, but I want to make it bigger. So got another navy piece, and I love the waffle fabric that it has, like the waffle pattern they have going on. So I really like it, and it just has a regular bottom. I think it goes in kind of a little bit like on. I love the wide sleeve effect, and it gets smaller as it goes down. So it has a really skinny like wrist part.
I think I have one of these in like a taupe, like nude color.
Really?
Yeah, I got it last year.
If you guys are wondering, this is called the Off With His Head sweater. And even though it's not really a sweater, it's in the sweater section on the site. So love this, and it's a small.
And I'm not exactly sure the name of the set. I just showed you guys the tag is not on it. I'm not sure why. But I did get it in a small, and I'm pretty sure you can look on the athletic section.
Like activewear.
The activewear section, and it should come up on there. Or just type in sets, and it should come up there. So my next item is also a lounge comfy piece. And this is just a plain button up gray long sleeve tee. And I feel like everyone needs this in their wardrobe, whether you want to run errands in it or if you want to just chill around the house in it. Like, you can still wear this to like go grocery shopping or something, or post office, just to run errands, but still be really comfortable. But like I said, I can still throw on a pair of Swift with this and chill around the house, or just clean or whatever. So this is just a nice versatile piece that I feel like you can wear in or outside the house. I love pieces like that where you can wear in or out and don't look too bummy, you know what I mean, but still comfortable. So I love anything with buttons. I like that it has buttons on it, and you can unbutton it as low or as high as you want. Like if you want to show it a little bit of cleavage and wear like some high-waisted sweatpants and be really cute. So I think that would be cute as well. And I also like that it has rib detailing, which makes it also feel like really comfortable and casual. So not too like formal looking. I feel like anything ribbed is meant for like lounging and comfort.
Flattering.
And it's more flattering. Yeah, anything ribbed will help you feel skinnier because of, you know,
The
lines on it.
Okay, so the next top that I got looks a lot better on. It looked really cute on the model. This is like a mocha, like camel color crop top, and it's more like a sweater, but it's a very stretchy bandage material. Like a really, really nice bandage stretchy material.
Like a dress.
Yeah, kind of like a dress material, but
Yeah.
in a top form. And this is the same kind of theme shirt that I just showed you, the off the shoulder kind of design going on. And it has like a bit of fabric in this area, so you can like kind of do it to your liking. The bottom also, it has kind of like that extra fabric theme going toward the bottom as well, so it's like double layered. So it's like more than one layer here. This is called the Allison off the shoulder top in mocha. So it's the Allison top. So her name is Allison. Yeah. And I just love the girliness to it, but it doesn't look too girly, because this is like my version of girly. I don't really like florals too much, or you know, like anything that's super girly.
You
so,
like feminine shapes.
Yeah, I like feminine shapes,
And
just not prints.
Yeah.
Thanks. So I love this, and you can wear it with like some jeans, like play up the necklaces. Like you can do like some layered gold necklaces with this. This is probably how I would wear it, and you know, just be really chic and cute.
So my next piece is also gray. I didn't realize I got that much gray stuff, but I told you I love gray, and this is like one of the biggest sections in my closet. But this is just a really nice sweater ribbed bandage dress, and it's super long, which I love, and I think it's perfect for winter. Like if you are in the mood to wear a bandage dress, but if all your dresses are short, this is like the perfect one to wear because it's super long. And I see myself wearing this with some really cute like booties. And I like that it has a slit on the side as well. So it does have a slit on the left side, which is a nice touch, so you don't feel like you can't walk.
Yeah.
You know, you're free to move your legs around at the bottom because this is super long. And if it didn't have the slit in it, you would be forced to kind of walk super tight and
Feel
like
confined.
yeah, we don't want that. So I do like that it has the slit detail in it, and it's super super soft, and it's like kind of heavy as well. So this is really really good quality. This is the perfect winter going out dress, or if you just want to go to dinner, if you're going somewhere that's a little bit extra fancy but you don't want to feel like you're doing too much or show your chest so you won't get sick. This is nice and high, which I really like. And I got this in a small, so I cannot wait to wear this to dinner or something.
Okay, so my second to last piece or set is this olive green cropped sweatshirt with the matching high-waisted sweatpants. This is one of those sets that I would definitely dress up. I would wear with like some tan booties, like those booties that are in that are like Yeezy inspired, or like the actual Yeezy booties. That would be really cute with this style set. So this doesn't have any drawstring on it. This one is just really high-waisted, and I love the olive color, like the olive green color. This has pockets, which I love, and this fabric is so soft. It's not quite the same fabric as the set that Kelsey showed earlier. It's a little bit more opaque. Like it's just like a solid just color, but it has a really like nice cotton stretchy feel, and it's so soft. Like this is that outfit you put on if you don't feel like going out and your friends text you and you try to find an excuse not to go, but you're like, Kendra, you should really go out. You need to get out the house. You put this on because this can go with heels.
Yeah.
And if it's that time of the month, you don't have to have, you know, show your bloating.
Yeah. Or have something super tight on your stomach.
Yes, I'm trying to paint the picture for y'all to give y'all some ideas, you know. So I love the fact that this is cropped because it doesn't look like too baggy and like you should have stayed at home. Like it don't look like that.
Yeah,
it looks
true.
like, oh, you look cute, like
you tried.
like you tried, but still comfy. So I love this set. I wish I could have gotten other colors. Actually, I think this one also comes in black, if I'm not mistaken.
You didn't get the black one?
I have enough black clothes
Shock.
at the moment, so yeah, I didn't feel the need to get the black one because I'm like, Kendra, get another color. This is the comfy and cozy top, and the sweats I'm assuming are called the comfy and cozy pants.
Yeah.
So this is the comfy and cozy set. I love. Probably go back and get other colors. Probably every color it comes in because this is soft. Like this fabric is
nice,
and it has a really nice stretchy waist as well.
So my next piece are a pair of pants that are surprisingly not jeans, because I wanted to step outside of my comfort zone.
There's no jeans in this haul.
Yeah, I just wanted to do something different. And plus I have way too many jeans right now. All right, I just decided to get these track pants, and these are called the Work Them Legs track pants. I got them in a size small. These are super cute. I really like the detailing on the side, the red stripes, and it also has a blue stripe in the middle of that. And these just remind me of like really cute like Adidas pants, but they're not the price. So I do like these are Adidas inspired, and I feel like you can dress these up or down. I can see me wearing this with a hoodie and like maybe some of my white Adidas, or I could even dress this up and wear it with like a cute crop top and one of my pair of booties. So that would be cute with these as well. So because they do come kind of high, and I do like that as well about it, to like kind of cinch you in. And this is also a really nice fabric. It's like shiny but not like cheap looking. And I don't know what the name of this is. I feel like it's that kind of like, I don't know, like a track pant. Yeah, that's the only way I can describe it. Yeah, like a track pant. And it has a drawstring in the inside if you want to tighten it. So I like that the drawstring is not on the outside, because maybe something like this you don't want the string to show, just like it to be nice and simple at the top. So they did put it in the inside, so I do like that about these as well. And they also have these little like stretchy foot things. So you basically put these under your foot, so that yeah, like a foot strap, so they don't ride up if you tuck them into booties or something. So that's pretty much what this part is for. So I was right. Yeah, you can wear these with booties because that's the purpose of these, so they won't like slide out or anything.
Okay, so my last thing that I got is another set, and this is the same one that Kelsey just showed, the gray one she just showed. I can't find the tag on it. I don't know the name of it, but like she said, you can find it in the activewear section or sets. So I got the mauve one. I do know that this color is called mauve on the site. So it's a pretty blush color. I love like this pink blush shade, which is another section that I should probably expand in my closet. I'm not really a pink girl. If it's more on the salmon nudie side, I will wear it though.
Yeah.
So this is super comfortable. Like Kelsey said, stretchy. These almost feel like pajamas. I'm not gonna lie. Like they feel like pajamas in like a sweatpant form. So you can definitely wear these like in the closer to spring months because it's too cold outside to wear these, but this is definitely like an indoor sweat set to throw on like after you get home from work or you want to get out of the uncomfortable clothes and get into something comfy. Throw this on because it's so soft. It feels like a blanket.
It really does.
Like it's so soft. I just love like it's just like an essential kind of set. You can get it in every color and love it. So I'm already recommending that you get it in every color that you see it in because that's how soft it is. And I just love the little kangaroo pouch in the front. I just love this color and I just think it's a really nice essential set to have, you know, in your wardrobe.
And then the second to the last piece that I got are also another pair of pants. And they are these high-waisted camo pants. And I've been wanting some of these for a while now. The only thing I don't like about these particular ones is this like tie thing here at the top. Like this, I don't know, this little belt. I probably would take this out and put one of my own belts in it to like maybe make it like more me, I guess. Because this tie thing is not very me. I don't really like this about it. But I do like that it comes with it so you can have the option to wear your own belt with it. Like this would be really cute with like a Gucci belt or something. I think that would be really cute. But they are pretty wide at the bottom. So I won't wear them like this. I'll probably tuck them in some booties, knowing me. So they do have pockets, which I really like. I don't know. Y'all know my thing with pockets. I love pockets. I have to have pockets. If I don't have pockets, I feel lost in the world. Just lost in the world, you know. So yeah, these are really cute and I have like a couple ideas of how I want to style these, and I got these in a small. And the last thing that I got is this really cute red leather jacket, well, faux leather jacket. And I saw this and I just had to have it because I don't have any red like leather jackets in my collection. I have one red jacket, but it's not leather. It's like a corduroy type fabric. Yeah, that's really cute that I haven't worn yet. But I got the leather because I just felt like it would be a really cute addition to my wardrobe, and I like that it has like the buckle detailing as well on it. I like any leather jacket with buckles just because I feel like it adds something extra to
like a real
the jacket, like a real moto jacket, exactly. So I like the silver detailing on it as well. And it's just a really cute jacket that you can dress up or down, which I love. So you can wear this with heels and a cute like t-shirt underneath, bodysuit with some heels. So I feel like if you don't have any leather jackets in your wardrobe, what are you doing with your life? Yeah.
Okay, so that completes our Fashion Over winter clothing haul for you guys. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it was helpful. And all of our hauls are try on, just so you guys know. If anybody's new here, all of our hauls are try on just because it's most helpful. And I don't even like watching hauls unless it's try on now. Fashion Over will be linked down below if you guys are interested and want to get some of the things that we mentioned in this haul. And we also have a coupon code for you guys to get 15% off. So I highly recommend that you use that because it's very helpful. I use my own code when I go shopping on there, and it's really, really helpful when you see like the total and how much it takes off. So, and yeah, that completes this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you guys in the next one.
Do you feel the vibe?